So today I have nest fern, also known as bird's nest fern. It's a family of the banana leaves, and it's usually found in Asian countries, Australia, and Africa. And this is used in traditional cooking. It has a nice crunchy texture to it. Actually, it has a nice slippery texture to it as well. Taste-wise, it's almost like kale without the roughness of it, and has other benefits such as it's useful in asthma, even in halitosis. Useful vegetable. You cook it basically from just you can boil it. Traditionally, it's boiled, but you don't, and it actually retains its texture when you boil it. So you could boil it or you can steam it, but I would probably, traditionally I would just boil it. You don't have to boil it for a long time or anything. So if you have any questions, post comments below and subscribe to the channel. So this is the nest fern, and I just washed it, and hopefully you can see the texture here. It's just like the banana leaves. It's a silky, slippery type of texture. So, like I said, give it a shot, and you can probably get this at your local grocery store.